JF-17 to become most widely operated Chinese combat aircraft in service by 2023. In mid-September, the Argentine government released its draft budget for 2022, including funding for the acquisition of 12 Pakistan Aeronautical Complex JF-17 combat aircraft. Assuming the acquisition is approved, Argentina will become the fourth operator of the type after Pakistan, Myanmar and Nigeria, which together operate 145 of the aircraft. Based on current contracts, Aviation Week Network data show that number rising to 185 by 2025 as additional aircraft are ordered. The JF-17 is now set to become the most widely operated Chinese combat aircraft in service with overseas customers by the end of 2023. Both China and Pakistan hope that the aircraft can build on its early successes and emulate the performance of its predecessors in export markets. According to the report, in 2030, South Asia 210, Asia Pacific 100, Africa 40, Middle East and North Africa 30 JF-17s will increase to, and by 2030, the total number of JF-17s will increase to 380 to 400. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel.